So wow, what a move for the yen, right? In this case, it was a clear underperformer in the FX market. It took a real plummet, and that meant that USD JPY in turn had a nice big surge, took it above significant resistance levels. And in this case, you can see that when it comes to the main technical indicators, they're all flashing green. ADX showing an ongoing propensity to trend. It's priced clearly above all its main moving averages. But when we look at the technical overview, yesterday on the daily, it was a bull trend that was stalling as it was approaching the resistance level. But since then, it's really become volatile. Whenever you get these big moves, that means pivot points to the upside or downside are at far greater risk of being broken. Now, when it comes to trader sentiment, here we're going to map both larger speculative traders according to the last Friday's COT report, as well as retail traders in a blue dotted line, so green dotted line for COT. And you can see that in this case, the bias they're on opposite ends. You can see that COT traders holding a majority long bias in USD JPY. They're majority short 60% yen, which means they're majority long USD JPY. And you can see that retail traders holding a majority short bias in USD JPY. And outer circle is for as of today morning, inner circle as of previous trading day. You can see that they've upped that bias to about 61%. The bulk of these short positions have been initiated below market price. And if you put a red line in order to map out how they've gotten to where they are today, you can see that above the red line, that means that they're majority long, below means they're majority short. You can see that COT traders, they were holding a majority long bias this entire time, whereas retail traders, they were range trading this entire move. So it was quite profitable throughout this period, but now you've got to squeeze higher. And of course, they're hoping, anticipating some sort of move back down so they can try and unwind some of these short positions that have been initiated below market price in profit.